do. Tutorial is in this digital marketing series, you are going to learn 301 redirect. So I will show you with practical examples so that you can understand where you can use and where practically it is used 301 redirection. Okay, so actually this is the website. We have developed this website, means redeveloped. Actually this website was already working and running, but what happened, few of the URLs got changed. Okay, so now the old URL shows 301 redirect, that means 404. So what happens in the morning, user shows me that when they type here creative stem, then they get this error. So this result comes here. When they search this, then this page shows here. That means this is the old page. Okay, so it was working that time, but after redesigning the website, the URL got changed. So now if user clicks here, then what happens? Okay, you can see it shows that page not found, because this page is not in the new website. So instead of this page, now the new website has this same page, this one. So what you have to do actually, that we need to redirect this page. When the user clicks on this page and mistakenly comes on this page, or in search result clicks on this page, then rather than showing 404, it should redirect to this page. So how it's possible? So in WordPress there are a lot of plugins available, but let me show you that how you can fix this. So there is a plugin called so go to plugin, and then to fix this problem, click on add new. Okay, and then here type 301. Okay, then you can see there are a lot of plugins available for that redirection. So I have used this plugin redirection. Okay, this is very good redirection plugin. So I have already installed this. So if I go to the plugin once again here, then we go back, then I will find here redirect. Okay, this is the plugin, and you need to go into the settings. Okay, here if it will ask you a few questions, then don't worry, click on here redirects. Okay, then uh, click on this link. So what you need to do is that check your old URL, which is 404 URL. So as you can see, this is the old URL. So now copy this and paste here in source URL, and then target URL. Where do you want your customer to send? So in my case, I will send the user to this URL. Okay, so just here put stem. That means this is the old URL which is not available in new website, but I don't want to show 404. So now what I will do, this is the new URL which is corresponding to this. Only the page content is same, but the URL got changed. Okay, so I'll click on this add. So here you can see it got added, right? This is old URL and this is the new URL. Now if I search this, let's go here, and now let's go to Google once again and refresh it, and this is the content. So if now user will click on this URL, then you can see the user is redirected to this page. So this way user does not know that there was something old URL and now it's new URL. So that plugin automatically took care of this. So this is where in practical used 301 redirection, and as you can see it's very useful. So what you need to do is that you need to find all the old URLs which is changed now. Okay, make a list of those URLs and corresponding URL, where do you want to send. So one by one you need to add here in add new, go and one by one just keep adding here, and this way you can solve the 404 not found and 301 to redirecting to other page. Also here is 404 pages. It says if you go to this options in this plugin here and click on this, then it will show you all the 404 URLs. If you tick all this, then it will show you, it will scan and show you which page is now not available. Okay, so if you go here 404, then it is showing that these are the pages which does not have now the new page at 404. So if I go here and just click and try to search this page, then as you can see, this page does not exist. So it is difficult for you to find one by one, but this plugin is very useful. It shows that which page is now not available. So one by one, it can be fixed and solved. And once you get the list of the URLs here, you can redirect directly from here. For example, this security page. Okay, let me check, and if there is no corresponding page, then what I will do, I will send it to home page. Okay, so simply I can write here like this and target URL. If I give here, then I can save this security page. So now if anyone will open this and this URL does not exist, then what will happen, it will send to home page. So this is a very useful plugin, and this is method. You can see it sent home page. So rather than showing 404, it is good to show and redirect the user to home page if the page is not found. So hope this video is useful for you, and if you have still not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and also write your queries in comments. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.